at Natuur for the face, for the moisturizing part in CTM. So CTM is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, three-step process which you need to follow on a daily basis to keep your skin happy and well nourished and cleaned and moisturized in the best possible way. So cleansing you can do with either a face pack or a face scrub or a sulfate-free face wash, and then the toning you do with a facial mist, a toner like rose water, lavender water, or a blend of these hydrosols like lang lang and sandalwood or mandarin, neroli, any of the hydrosols that are available in the market, whatever suits you. And if you're unsure about what to use, then just remember that rose hydrosol or rose water, like we all know it, or lavender hydrosol or aloe hydrosol, these three suit all skin types. So if you're unsure of what to buy, pick up one of these three. So these days I'm using lavender water, but I keep changing. Okay, so in terms of moisturizing for the third step, CTM, you need to use either an oil or a water-based face serum, but this you must use something or the other. So with cleansing, we cleanse the pores, with toning, we tighten and close the pores, and then we top it up with a moisturizer so that your skin is well hydrated, nourished, moisturized for the remainder of the day. And ideally, you should do the CTM process twice a day, morning and evening. And for the moisturizing part, now at Natuur we have 15 options. There's something for all skin issues, for all skin types. So this is sea buckthorn oil. The only thing with sea buckthorn oil is it is orange in color, so don't use it directly, otherwise you'll feel like you've become a carrot after using it. So always blend it with another oil and use it, or use very sparingly on very moist skin, so then you will not use much. So whatever process appeals to you more. And sea buckthorn oil is a beautiful oil for the skin. It really improves the skin texture, but people usually get scared with the orange color. There's nothing to be scared of. I use this a lot in my body massage oil as well as a face oil, just like this. And it's a beautiful oil, very nice oil, and I love the feel of my skin the next day after using it. Then we have rosehip oil. So this is also anti-aging, just like sea buckthorn oil. You can use it on your face, you can use it in your navel for navel oiling at bedtime. And this is very good for aging and mature skin. And sea buckthorn oil was also for aging skin. And then we have hemp oil. So hemp oil is great for oily and acne prone skin. So this is very low on the comedogenic scale, which means the molecule size is very small and it doesn't really clog the pores. So if you have oily skin, acne prone skin, but still you need some oil moisture, either in the morning or evening, maybe once a day is okay for the moisturizing part for oily skin people, and this is a great oil for that. And then we have apricot oil. It is good for all seasons, and it is also good for all skin types. If you have normal skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, you can use apricot oil. A beautiful oil, comes from the kernels of apricot. And then we've just recently introduced the squalane oil. This is made from olives. It's vegan plant-based oils, and it is also very less on the comedogenic scale. It is 0, which means its size is very small. It does not clog the pores. And even for summer months, if you want to continue with oils in your skincare regime, this is a good option to go in for. Again, this would go with all skin types. It is a transparent oil and very easily absorbed into the skin. Use it on your hands. If you wash your hands a lot, if you're in the habit of that, and then your hands feel a little dry after cleansing with soap, then you can use this oil on your hands, and within a few minutes it'll get absorbed into the skin and there will not be any greasy touch to it. And then in terms of blends, we have oil blends as well as hydrosol based blended serums. A new serum that we've introduced. This is 10% vitamin C, 5% niacinamide, and 1% hyaluronic acid. So this is good for skin brightening and it is good for mature skin. And then we have face serum for dry skin. So if you have dry skin, you may like to go with it. The base of this serum is hemp seed. Then we have face serum with vitamin C and L glutathione, and this is an active for again for skin brightening, antioxidant. So you may want to use this. This is a water-based, a hydrosol-based face serum. Then we have face serum Kumkumadi. This is great for bedtime routine. The base of this is sesame oil, and then there are 16 plus herbs that go into making this, including saffron and sandalwood. So very soothing, calming, brightening oil, good for aging skin, good for your bedtime routine. So, and then we have hyaluronic acid face serum. This is for plumping the skin, for closing the wrinkles, for closing any visible signs of aging you may have on the forehead or on the neck area. So you can use this at bedtime. Again, this is water based. And then we have face serum for mature skin. This is oil based. The base of this is avocado oil. And then we have a face serum brightening with gold and ashwagandha. This has gold dust powder and ashwagandha extract. Again, very good for mature aging skin. So we have a lot of options for aging skin. And then we have face serum glow, and this goes with all skin types. If you're confused about what to buy, what to use, where to start, you can start with this. This is our best seller, and this goes with all skin types. And then we have a face serum anti-acne. The base of this is neem oil. And then we have a face serum combination skin. This is if you have your T-zone is oily and your cheeks are dry, then this is the face serum to go in for. So these are our 15 face oils and face serums, and there's something for everyone. So whichever one appeals to you, you can go for that. But something you must use on your skin post cleansing and toning daily. And if you do this CTM on a daily basis, then you would not need a regular derma treatments or chemical based facials, which are very toxic for the skin in the long term. I hope that helps someone, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.